Hello, my friends. Hey, this is Kathy, and I wanted to put together this little video so that I could kind of share some of the new products that doTERRA had come out just this fall in the middle of September. And these things are going to change your life. I promise you. So I'm going to demonstrate some of these things. As I'm demonstrating how to use them, I'll talk a little bit about why you should use them and how you should use them. The first one, this is a game changer, you guys, for so many people. VMG. So doTERRA's new VMG. Look at this easy little sachet pouch that you can take with you if you need to. Super easy single serving sizes that you're not digging into a container or something like that and contaminating the products. So I love the way that doTERRA has, put this into an easy little packet for us. Now, VMG, what does that even stand for? Vitamins, minerals, and greens. And it has all of that stuff. Plus, because it's VMG plus, superfood complexes. And I have some of these things written down here. Nutritional blend, a superfood blend, a cellular support blend, a bioavailability blend. Now, this is all in a liposomal form. So what the heck does that mean? I mean, that's a big word. So liposomal means that the vitamins and minerals in your new VMG are kind of coated with it's a liposomal. So a liposome is something that is like an oily kind of a structure. It's kind of like the same as the structures of our cells. So our cells have a liposomal outside coating on them. So oils attract oils, right? We know this. So what does this do? It kind of bypasses some of the digestive system that has to break down our vitamins and minerals when we take them in a pill form, and it gets them directly to the cells at the cellular level, where that oily outside of our cells can attract the oily outside of the vitamins and the minerals, and it's going to be a more of a direct route to get to your cells. So that's super important right there. Now, how many of you love to take pills? I've been taking them because I know that they're good for me. I don't love to take pills. This is so good. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, that looks really, really bad. Like nobody's going to like this, And then we went down and we tried it at convention, and I was so pleasantly surprised. So easy to open, little tear open package that we have here. You don't need much water. They say between, 5 and 8 ounces of water. This is probably about 6 ounces of water that I have here. And I just ripped open the package. Now I'm just going to pour what looks like this yucky spinach, like it's going to taste like broccoli and yucky stuff in here. Now, I highly suggest, but it doesn't taste like that. I'm just saying that's what I thought it was going to taste like. I like one of these whisker things, okay? Or you can use a shaker bottle as well. I've used that as well. But all you got to do is whisk that up a little bit, and it mixes in really, really easily. I prefer, and actually doTERRA says, do not do this hot. You want to have this cold. So I highly suggest that you add some ice to it. Make a nice little drink. Keep it cold. You do want to drink it. This isn't something you're probably going to want to sip on for an hour, okay? So these ingredients do become active when you mix it like this, and you're looking at that going, Kathy, that's disgusting. But it's really not. It's a wonderful pineapple mango flavor. Actually, it's extracts. It's not an artificial flavor. It's pineapple and mango extracts that they make this a really a sweet drink that's not chalky. It's not gritty. It's not, how you think of like fibers and green products and things like that, that they're just kind of, you almost have to chew them to get them down. But not with this. And it is just it's refreshing. It is giving me all of the vitamins and minerals that I need. Plus, it also contains not only the VMZ, which is our vitamin and minerals from the Lifelong Vitality Alpha CRS. So it's going to give you those liposomal forms of your vitamins and minerals, but also all the wonderful energizing effects that are in Alpha CRS. Without some of there was a couple of items in Alpha CRS that sometimes cause people tummy issues. This does not have that. So you should have, really with the Lifelong Vitality, there weren't many tummy issues with that either because they have the Tummy Tamer blend in it, but this is even better for those who have stomach issues. So do you need to take this and Lifelong Vitality? The answer is no. This replaces lifelong vitality. Is lifelong vitality going away? No. We are going to keep around the alpha CRS and the VMZ just like we've had it before in these forms. So if you prefer to take pills like my dad, he's, by the way, you guys, this is my dad's medicine cabinet. I took out some of the products that he takes with doTERRA every single day. He's going to be 97 years old, and he swears that this stuff keeps him going. And he takes these every single day. He takes the VMZ. He doesn't take the alpha CRS because that did cause him some tummy issues, but he does take the E omegas every single day. I'm going to talk about these in just a couple of minutes. So your new VMG product replaces VMZ and alpha CRS. So it gives you the energy, the vitamins, and the minerals that you need in a bioavailable form. It's vegan, it's gluten-free. So what does this do for you? Oh my gosh, let me just go through the short list, okay? Healthy skin and nails. It supports, of course, the body with the vitamins and minerals at the cellular level. It helps with cardiovascular health, the circulatory system, endocrine, reproductive system, immune system, proper inflammatory response, the nervous system, respiratory system, genital urinary health, musculoskeletal system, and also the digestive system. Why not? And I mean, there's over 90 different ingredients. So this is like, I can't remember what they said about the servings. How many servings? I want to say it's close to 30 servings of fruits and vegetables are right here in this wonderful tasting drink. Okay, so biohack. You all know that I am really big on MetaPower Advantage. So your MetaPower Advantage is your collagen. This does not have collagen in it. So this VMG does not replace this. So this is going to be your collagen, plus it has 11 other ingredients that support high oxidate. It gives you many antioxidants into the body, but it also provides precursors to NAD plus in the body. NAD plus is a precursor. It is in the cellular reactions that happen in your metabolic system to make them happen. NAD plus has to be there as a cofactor for these, like sugar to turn into energy, just a basic one. But there's over 500 biochemical reactions in the body that are affected by NAD plus. We start to lose NAD plus naturally in the body at the age of 25 or 30, and this is when the aging process starts. So that is a main advantage of your MetaPower Advantage, is to have the collagen. Collagen is the most abundant product in the body. It's the matrix that holds all of our tissues, our skin, hair, skin, and nails, all of that together. So we need to have it, and the body does not create it, and we don't get enough of it in our diet, so we have to supplement. So the NAD plus the collagen, right? And all of these antioxidants in this wonderful Advantage product, which I take every day. So here's the deal. Biohack for you. Stack. Put them together. Now you have 6 to 8 ounces of a wonderful drink. It tastes even better. I'm sorry. It tastes even better when you add the Advantage right to your drink. So there you go. You got those two. Now, if you really want that, you can add your PB Assist Plus to this, which is the powder form of the probiotics. Bam! All in one glass. Highly suggest that if and when you do add your MetaPower Advantage, that you drink it cold and that you drink it fairly quickly. I would say like within 5 minutes. Drink it down fast. Love it. I mean, it's sweet, it's refreshing, it's got all the good stuff in there. I will tell you, I am highly sensitive to stevia. I drink anything with stevia in it, and I have an aftertaste for like a half hour. So there is a form of stevia in it, in this, and in the Advantage, but it is a fermented stevia. I don't even know what that does to it, but it has absolutely no aftertaste for me. So those of you who have kind of a stevia intolerance, this tastes fantastic, and again, I'm not going to have to take pills all day. I just suck this guy down, and it's wonderful. So, guess what else you can add to it? Recharge. So you can add more water to this if you want to. Add your recharge to it. You've got in your probiotics, so you'd have a probiotic-y, vitamin-y, mineral-y, green product that provides energy, all the collagen you need. Oh, and it's hydrating for your cells as well. Hello. I mean, and how long does that take you to drink? A couple minutes, maybe, on your way to work. Put a drink together, put it in your car. You can stack these together, and it is not going to diminish the effectiveness of any of these products whatsoever. So I'm going to put together another video that's going to explain more about our omega-3s and also the new frankincense products. So you guys take care. Telling you, get the new VMG. This is available on October 1st of 2024. Get the VMG. It's only a couple dollars more than the Lifelong Vitality, and I don't know, I just think you'll use it more. I think that you'll get more benefit out of it. I wasn't taking my 4, what it says on the back of the Lifelong Vitality. I would take 2 because I was feeling pretty good with the 2. But the other reason I didn't take it is because it's just a lot of pills, and I didn't want to take that many pills. This gives you your full serving of 4 VMZ and 4 alpha CRS plus your greens right here for, you guys, I think it's $2 more than Lifelong Vitality. Plus the PV value is better. So I want to say it's $88, okay? And you get like 75 PV for it. So the PV to dollar ratio is even better than it was with Lifelong Vitality as well. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's my VMG message. And I highly suggest that you get this. I would love to hear some testimonies from you. Contact me if you have any questions about this. And I will see you again soon with another video. See you guys from my girlhood home in Anaconda, Montana. Bye-bye.